Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 2 on Xbox One. First, make sure your Xbox One console is properly set up and connected to the internet. Then, simply insert the game disc into the console. The game requires a significant amount of storage, roughly 99 gigabytes, so ensure you have enough space. Follow the installation prompts, and you'll be ready to create or load your Rockstar Games Social Club account to save your progress and dive into the Wild West. Once you're in the game, mastering the basic controls is key to your adventure. Use the left stick to move Arthur Morgan, your character, and the right stick to adjust your view. The A button allows you to jump or vault over various obstacles you encounter. When it's time for action, hold the left trigger to aim your weapon, and then press the right trigger to fire. Remember to press the Y button to interact with the rich world around you, from talking to characters to picking up items. Red Dead Redemption 2 offers an incredibly vast and detailed open world, spanning over 100 unique locations. To progress the main narrative, simply follow the yellow icons on your in-game map. But don't forget to explore. White icons indicate exciting side quests and random encounters that offer additional stories and rewards. Your trusty horse is essential for covering long distances quickly, making exploration both efficient and enjoyable as you uncover the secrets of the frontier. To truly master Red Dead Redemption 2, consider these advanced tips for progression. Upgrading your camp is crucial. It unlocks new features and boosts your gang's morale, providing tangible benefits. Hunting and fishing are excellent ways to gather valuable resources, which you can use for crafting or sell to vendors for profit. Don't forget to complete various challenges to earn unique rewards and enhance Arthur's skills. Finally, always maintain your weapons and horse to ensure peak performance throughout your journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.